The Supreme.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Savannah, also known as Say Ray, but you guys can call me Say Ray now. We're on video number dos. We cool now. I done gave y'all a hug on my last video, so we're friends. So you can call me Say Ray. So today, as you can tell by the title, we are getting into brows and lashes. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do those two things, well, you already know what to do. Continue to watch. Let that video slide on in. Okay. See what I did there? Like, I tried to make my video come this way. Okay, let's just go ahead and start. I was too lazy to actually throw my wig on today, but as you can tell by the title, we are doing an eyebrow tutorial. So I'm gonna show y'all how I go from this to this. What you wanna do is literally, look at how big my forehead is. Oh my god. You're just gonna go underneath here. You're just outlining, literally. So I go underneath first, and I always bring it a little bit forward because my eyebrows start all the way back here. Your eyebrow's supposed to start here. So yeah, you want to take your pencil and it should be starting right here and right here. For the top part, I just literally outline just like I did the bottom. And really the main part where I have to fill in is my arch and the ending, because I don't have eyebrows that are that thick. So my eyebrows kind of stop right at the arch and the curved part. Little strokes. And you just want to make it point at the end. That's pretty much the shaping part. What you're gonna do now is pretty much just go in with your brush and like mess that junk up. You want to just take the product and just run it back and forth with the brush. I start going like with the hair. So usually the front part is always pushed up, and then once you get towards the back, you're gonna start curving downwards. You feel me? Look at how majority of the time I don't have to clean my brows up because I'm just nice like that. And I'm nice. Running from the lights. Covered in ice. Just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna clean my brows up because, you know, I know a lot of people, you know, some people don't wax their eyebrows, or their eyebrows are really thick and they just don't feel like cleaning. I mean, people don't wax their eyebrows, period. I don't. So, because I don't have a lot of hair, so I don't need to. So what I do is I take my foundation shade and go on the top. And just literally, like, y'all can see what's going on, right? Okay, that's a clean brow. Simple as that. Just wipe it all off with your beauty blender or whatever. And get underneath them brows too. Those are your brows. That should look marvelous. If they don't, then you didn't follow directions, or you just don't know your brow shape, and that's okay. A lot of people don't. So now I'm gonna show y'all how I put my lashes on. Hopefully I can do that on camera, because I know a lot of people can't do that, and I've never attempted to do it on camera, so we about to find out. So first and foremost, you want to use a mascara. Any mascara of your liking. I like to use a cheap one that's like the bristles are really small, and like look at that look at that. Y'all see that? Look at this. Look at that. I can't see it yet, but I only go on with one coat prior to putting my lashes on. because you only need one coat really. So that's the first coat for that side. Okay. I thought I could do the one trick thing, but I got too much lip gloss on, so that's not gonna work. And then you're just gonna need some tweezers. I like the slanted ones. And I usually will just grip. So I like to grab it just like so. And I use this glue, which is like hair glue, but it's like for your lashes. It's made by the same company. So I always put my mirror underneath my lashes so I can see exactly where the lashes are going onto my eye.
The Supreme.
Look at how OD that makes my eye look. Put the mirror underneath. Okay, middle first. You can either do the front or the back. I think with this lash, I always do the front side first because I don't know. But on the other side, I always do the back first. It's so weird. And I'm mad that I know that I do. Okay, now you should look like you're flying away. You want to put your mascara on the ends of your lashes so it really blends. Take your tweezers again and just squeeze the hoe. Like there should not be any type of way that anybody can see shiitake going on. So ow! Oh my god, it was too much stuff happening at once. Oh, that hurt. I'm gonna have bruises.
The Supreme.
Okay, the things that I do to make sure my YouTube videos is cute.